sạc con cha con đi quý qua khen có con nhìn cô.
Who is on the Lord's side? Who will serve the King? Who will be a helper or the light to bring? Who will lead the world's side? Who will fear the fall? Who is on the Lord's side? Who for him will go? By the call of mercy, by the great divine, we are on the Lord's side, Serbians we are see.